All right, guys, this is my review of the COMFEE 5.8 quart digital air fryer. You've got air fry, toast, roast, broil. You can pretty much do everything on here. Bake, reheat, dehydrate frozen food. You can adjust your temperature here. Got your on and off button here. You can pause it. You can up the time. Basically, it does all the things I've ever needed in an air fryer. It's got a nice deep port there to put your stuff in. And it's going to drain into the bottom. So whenever you need to clean it, you can just separate those two areas. And like, here's an example of how you can use it. So you can take that right out of there and put it back in when you're done, and then put it right back in there. So I like the front loaded ones because they're very easy to use. It's got a nice digital read there on top. And honestly, it has a nice kind of sleek look to your home. So air fryers are something I basically use every single day now, where I honestly think they've replaced microwaves or ovens for me. Honestly, even the stove, because you can pretty much do anything in here now. I highly recommend these. If you've not gotten one, get it. If you have one, you need to get rid of it and get this one.